on the camera. John, tell me. Why not? Because you were smiling?
Yeah.
So on ball joints, you want to hit here. Tell on the camera. John, tell me. Why not? Because you were smiling?
Yeah.
We cannot smile here. Okay, so you need to hit this here to put all the force into this, and this will knock this ball joint loose. And we're gonna stand back with our safety glasses on and a smudge on my glass. Hold up, smudge check. Okay, here we go. I'll edit this film out so it only looks like one swing for you, okay?
Okay.
Oh, come on, Teresa.
Yeah,
Let go.
I don't want to fall.
Come on. That was a perfect hit, my friend. Perfect hit. John's got the forearms of Popeye. Look at that.